This is a quick look at REPAIRX. This is REPAIRX2. It's a British standard compliant windscreen repair kit. This has got 2 bridges and 2 injectors. If it was REPAIRX1, it would simply have that taken out and one of the bridges. The beauty of this is that it allows you to do 2 repairs simultaneously on the same glass, or 2 vehicles side by side. We've got the pre-clean moisture vac here with the wipes, and we've got the drill and the 15-second curing lamp. They're all cordless and rechargeable. There's no wires in this case. We've got the mister here. You don't need gel with our kit. We just use this mister and polish blades, blade holder. We've got this shatterproof mirror, so you won't have any more broken mirrors in your case. We've got our unique independently tested resin with its unique dispensing capabilities, biodegradable pit tabs, UV shield and the seal kit. And then just to go on top of that, we've got the UV shield, total 100% UV blocking, comes in a great lightweight compact case.